But I was very impressed with the factory, and I think that there is a lot of good work going on in Kumasi, and I wish the people of Kumasi and all of you the very best in further developing the city.
Abusiama mu nyina makwa ba eba Nyansapo kasamfoni so. Mekase Nyansapo a jemeso se esane no badwemam. Ene yama ne yetia na ene eyesronko esan se. No way abrochimemu emu apamfo empanimfo ahodo bi a mekase no way ambassador. Ne nyina da ene se na osai kofi ya oye Sabin Akrofromhene. Ene na tena konwa womo ebo anan ko dwumadie bi ase e wo no way eye brono a wo frɛ no Bergen na woduru ho no na dwumadie ne kɔ no no womo ne apamfo wo ne ambassador edi nkomo ne titiri ne mayo wo ho e kasa se womo pese mpuntu ahodo ba Asantehene mu enti se betumi na wombeyi pomakwa mu ama fei Bergen ene Asante ne titiri ne kumase atumi anya namfofa bi a ebeboa ma mpuntu nso atumi akoso a ebeboa pa mpuntu ebetumi akoye se bi a wo ba Asante memu ha emabunu bi betimi akọ no way abrochimemu ho akosua se de yesi ebo ban wombekọ akọje ntete wo ho eni nnwuma nka ye bebre no kwasem ne meyo no de ntiase ye woyo ema wono so atubofo ye no way ambassador se womra na wone nananom emahia eni nkomo emfa sampuntu enhu nti we di atadwefo wa yatede na se fata se Nyansapo yenso ebu yaketem ne yeba na mpuntu ahodo eba befa no ntoma pafra sanadanom ne twedi ampon adawroma wo mu yipo makwan mu a etumi abaso no yenso yede me ahwefo ene etiefo ma musumunya bi ehwe medin di asonaba Kofi Mensa Abrampa enche yewura Asantehene tumfo seitu abebio obeba na amamre ne amane e wo ho no wabeye na afei na osei Kofi nso ede ne mpanimfo ene afei abrofo a wo mu firi no we abrochimemu aba no so akire yewura na dwumadi ne nyina atoa so enti yesomonne ne yasomoda Nyansapo esane ne badwemu. All right, Ebusia, medical ate ho kakra kiro na yebedi nkomo kakra. Meteche mane bedane aye mane house and say emum se wo kumase de ne so. Oni kwa me ni di nkomo ni nti teche mano ebedane. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
My name is Asunaba, and you?
Ingrid Mollestad.
Come again?
My name is Ingrid Mollestad.
All right. We've seen a lot of improvements coming to Kumasi. Before that, why are you here?
Well, I am here as Norway's representative to Ghana. I'm the Norwegian ambassador to Ghana. And I'm here because I've been invited by a very good friend of mine in Bergen. It's a Norway-hene, so it's a gentleman from Kumasi living in Bergen. And he is going now to be, what is it called again? The Akrofromhene of Sabin Akrofromhene. Yes, I'm here to witness that big day, and well, on that occasion also we have had the privilege and honor to have a courtesy call with Otumfo.
Have you ever wished to see Otumfo in person, or is this the first time? Or?
I have met him a few times actually, yes. I've been to Kumasi quite a few times. It's an important city in Ghana, and as a Norwegian ambassador, I also come to Kumasi quite regularly, and I've met him a couple of times at least, yes. So I look forward to this day and tomorrow very much.
Wow. Well, so how long have you been in Kumasi? Like this week?
Oh, I came yesterday, and I will go back to Accra tomorrow night. So we'll have hopefully the chance to see a bit more of Kumasi and also visit a couple of businesses. And my hope is that the ties between Norway and Ghana, as the ties between Kumasi and Bergen, will continue to strengthen to the benefit of both peoples and both populations.
Wow. We know that projects in community help to develop a city or the community itself. Why do you choose to form alliance or come in collaboration with Kumasi? Why is it only Kumasi?
No, not all is in Kumasi. I am in Kumasi, and we are working, for example, as Norway, we're working with KNUST. But this friendship between Bergen and Kumasi, that's a private initiative between the cities, so it's nothing that the government as such has decided. But we do cooperate with a lot of, there is some projects in Kumasi from the Norwegian side as well, but we also have the same in Tamale, in Takoradi, and so I'm representing all of Norway and all of Ghana.
So you're going to ensure that right after the conversation we're having and ensuring that development, Kumasi is going to change?
Excuse me, I didn't get the question.
I mean, with the development and any alliance you are forming with Kumasi, basically, Akrofromhene, your very good friend, Akrofromhene of Sabin from right after, I am from Kumasi. So how should I see the development? How should I measure the development? Is it going to be something unique and different?
Well, I think that a relationship and the development of a relationship is something that takes time. And what we are witnessing now is the initial stages of a deepening of the relationship between two cities, Bergen and Kumasi. And I can, like you, only hope that individuals on both sides, supported by the Norwegian side, will contribute to this happening. And we've already seen that there has been some business relationships forming, and I do hope, like you, that this will strengthen.
Okay. We hear that right from here you'll be visiting the Menshia Museum.
Yes, that is the plan. That is the plan, yes. It has been closed before. No, the last couple of times it's been closed for renovations, I believe, so I haven't had the opportunity before.
Oh, so after the renovation you've not been here?
I haven't been here since well, I've been here, but I haven't been to the museum since after the renovation, so I hope we have time for that. It's in the program.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much. We get back to
you. Thank you very much.
Abusia enti Norwegian ambassador na yanene din komo no ena nya asam keto am techere madane broni yewuraba enti amamre ne amane ne dwumade enti ye ba ha anasa abrofi ba ha no ye de to aso
be koye no mapani mani ena ye kokọ offices pi ne ko Bergen wo musikan capital no ye ko meya no no tia me na so se wo metimi abeboayin ti mesre no se na daroma omoayin na Bergen ni Kumasi inya ayonkufa ena oji tumu enti me bedru ye no me tworo krata invite na nka wo pese oba na ne yura bedi ade BBC enti wantimi ama na wo srese ene ambassador Norwegian ambassador emra na umigina na mu ne yura emedi ade ne firi woko no Kumasi na mpe se bibru Kumasi nso di ne yura ene nyina yura na nka firi woko no yura de ho watimi no makana yakwan bi so ama wo ma beboyin ye ba no ye ambassador ni Ingrid the otoso Mr. Home on deputy head of mission and we the Ghanaian abrantie Mr. Nati on political councillor and utumfo no ana na ufra hinsan so ntitwi Abraham Watin ufra hinsan on ambassador secretary and my penny me ma na kan na ma me bruni utumfo chama daruma abrofo no a ebrebe mbaye no womu adwuma airport maami nso ehwa na mapeni man nso ye adwuma airport womu koye na maami ni womu ko se womu abehwe womu abehwe yura ne no ko ti chinchina ono nso beba na aba abehwe yura ena ono nso onene ba aba so ba no nso aba abehwe yura ye ba
until we are not with the Bauha. I'm a Sunya, when I hear no airport. Manuel from Suffering and Manupo. I'm on a whole second capital. And your home, and could be more just the same at anymore. Say, what I'm already to me a moment. Woman, I'm no more prepared to Abba Santi. To Yamomutia, CSA. Woman. Nyansapo Tv Asante Appiah Sanya Bukhano ene ono ammo ntimi ama ode se Norwegian ambassador no se o megina mu na bibia oda wono na wodi a no no be san kutamudie no na sabi sanitation eno me fa ahundie hu nyina no e so mo betimi abba mu mai obaya wo mini ambassador ni deputy nso ni ne ani o kan Ghana ni so sabi
Obani Asantehene Ambassador Secretary no.
Wona na ai ba ko so na no ba ko ba wa. One to me no aya kwan ama no ti da bi na me anu so me fa ya ba be hwe utumfo.
Helena.
Omba ya. Rama so the almost here no.
Friendship between the second biggest and the biggest shipping city in Norway, Bergen, and Kumasi, another important, very important city in Ghana. So I am here on the invitation of these two gentlemen to be witnessing the installment tomorrow, and I am hoping that this will further improve the friendship both between Kumasi and Bergen, and of course also between Ghana and Norway that I am representing.
All right.
Yo.
Thank you also for making time to come and then through the invitation. I believe strongly that the ties between Ghana and Norway is still strong. I sought for the advice of Norway in relation to the oil industry. And remember in 2005 or so, when I was advising President for about the issues and the way Norway went around their industry to the shareholders. Unfortunately, the advice I got from Norway was not implemented here. They thought we were in Africa, and therefore, if we went the same way as Norway, we might not get the investors to come. But I still have very good friends there. Mr. CM, for example. CM Holden is a very good friend of mine. Then my other friend, who is the brother-in-law of the king, who was married to the king's sister. He did a plantation here. The old boy is gone now, but he was also a very good friend. He was about 90-something when he came. And I also remember an incident when I came to Norway that I'm sure you are aware of. Because Norway has always been a friendly country. But I still believe that we can do more. I don't think I feel the presence of Norway in relation to what we have to do. We have to learn so much. And therefore, looking at what will happen after the elections, I would prefer that we do more collaboration to more advanced in relation to technology, climate change. So I still believe that there will be more interactions. So maybe after the elections, when I know the direction, I shall still call upon you and the new president to look at the objective. And we'll see how that Ghana can benefit. Investment, for example, from Norway here. We have the labor, we have the manpower in terms of training from the university and everything. The science, we can join together in relation to industry. The raw material base is also good and so cheap. So exporting will be cheap. So that's the direction I want us to go. Rather that Accra will take you and it's more like it's So there will be much time for you to come back to the village where to have more discussion, which will be favorable to you. So I thank you for listening. Thank you, team. Congratulations also for I believe strongly that I'm sure tomorrow you might enjoy the ceremony. So I thank you for coming. I thank your delegation also for coming. So, next time I'll see you in the palace.
Thank you so much.
Young lady, come and greet me then. How are you? I'm very well. 2 days. I haven't seen much of it. Until Friday. So we have enough time for you to. I want you to go back to the good Bakersfield of Ghana, and therefore you will come back and thank you. My dear. You know the delegation comes.
Go ahead, Jane. Yeah. Right. First.
You are sisters, eh?
Yeah.
So you can tell similarities.
Yeah.
Triplets.
Triplets.
Yeah.
Kapeni me ne madno. Anyway. Aye.
It shows that they have similarities.
Right. That's it, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Baba can Monko. It's okay.
Sane wo hwa de fefa e koso e obudukwan factory a sabi de oti okruwie okrawie de brawie ngoma so pem so otumfo osei tutu e na aye se fidi dwuma ya na akono yie pa eye efidi dwuma sabi ekronto e be sone nuaba so na aye ne nsuo na ye de agu nkonko ene nkrata mu na aboa amagana ne asanteman e be fefa nipa amomaye mu adwuma na eno ne nneyie yewura Asantehene ena afi Sabin Akrofromhene oye ne brempon na ose kofi wonma ka bomu na we de beka se sabia kronto na ose kofi nsa no nwuma sanse abrofo mu hu wo mu hei abrofo wo mu fi Norway ene bae bra ye na Sabin Akrofromhene otumfo ose tutu ne brempon ye na ose kofi de nani chiremu wo Norway ena woni abrofo yi ekonya nkitahudie se wonmu ntwo mani on pesa Asantema pesa wo mu di kaso bom na on beboa madwadie ene niema konkan eno no wo de wo sedia ye oyo a omto nsa frɛ na waba bepie mu Asantema em hanuma bebe wo de omani ache ye budukwan factory a sabi de oti okrowie ne okrawie ne obrawie ngma so wabue a enye asem ketwa e wo hono na ma remfi se Asantehene esa ebie fidi dwuma baako a eye jude factory eno betimi afa adwumayefo bebo mpem mienu e wo Asantema ntem hanuma enye asem ketwa e wa ha enti obi ti baabi na waka se yewura baaye wonye hwe a ya no asini hu we ye fididwuma baako ena foforo ye jude factory a eno so betimi afa mabunu pimienu eno so ewo honom eno won se abrofi we de eyebudukwan factory no ena ye de ani ache mu a wonom ehwe no ewo honom yenko afei se wo hwe a we eye court a Sabin Akrofom man ana na o se kofi oyotumfo brempon da no wonom sie ede ama Asantehene Ghana man na animonyam no bi aka sikadwa kofi ene de oti okrowie ene okrawie ene obrawie ngoma sopem so tumfo osietutu kwalto dan omu si ya che na Nyansapo rewre mu kakra ya ye echiremu a sentie besi nne entumi mie na mo ndan fama aban ni nyina ene se sabe ohene a woda sabe Akrofrom kuro ya no wodwe ne ma ho yie enu nti enkoba se obesi dan ete se a odi sika eye 4,000 Ghana cedis ena omo de ahyem asase no ene eye dan yesi so ene mu ne ma nyina 400,000 Ghana cedis court dan no ena hu se woni abrofu yi wono aba ehonom no afei de atoso biem eye edwa anana osei kofi oyini baaye no kwasem ni da bia meka ade ba akon de ka ne pa ne se kane na obosabe Akrofrom a ne nipa hu eye kura da kwa ho a kanu ne wo se nipa de bo trede a no e wo sabe Akrofrom achi obaaye wabono mode ama enne se wo gina aka jetia na wo se wo kwasabe a enipa hu ahyenkafo hu ametifo hu na ade ba akon a e hye nso na se dan so biemu ene edwa tradada ya wo si no wahi ene wo kasai so toso maako be se aduonum ennan ena ebewo dwa yi mu emudu nwotwe de mene wo kasa broni be kasa wo flow so a ekoso aye adwuma afei mpata ye nuano ma mema ebedi dwa wo maton momoni ntosi ni nyadoa ene ade no eno nso be se ahasa ewo mu ene ade a eka ho afei emaremfi se wonu mu ebeye baabi e friend se lorry terminal baabi e hyen begina obewie store ni no anase market yi no ahyen nyina kwa ho se de ehu ne biemu na wonmo emfa nipa ni nyina aka ho ena abrofu de wo mani kuchawisi a omienu santemo ede behwe na mmoa bia wonmo bia no nso wo de aboa ma Sabin ene Asantehene akonkan na no se kofi Asantehene yemammo ene yo piao aha Nyansapo kasamfonyini so yedamase.
The reason I'm in Ghana is that I'm Norway's ambassador to Ghana. And I'm in Kumasi because I have been invited by this gentleman here, my dear friend Nana, to come and visit on the occasion of the friendship between Bergen, which is a city in Norway, and Kumasi. So now I've been shown the palace. He has shown me some of the projects. We visited Otumfo's factory, and we also had an audience with Otumfo this morning. So it's really to celebrate the friendship between two nations and two cities, and I'm very honored to be invited.
So please, after seeing Otumfo, you visited some of his projects too. So what do you have to say to Otumfo?
Well, what I have to say to Otumfo, I think I will say to Otumfo, but I was very impressed with the factory. And I think that there is a lot of good work going on in Kumasi, and I wish the people of Kumasi and all of you the very best in further developing the city. And we surely, Norway stands as a partner.
Tanyini wantena fie ema aseduamfo
blani pie frimantam bahin se pin enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa
ansa na odi asebe fita na no makode ebrensi am wa otua ne nsem mojabmo nim hu duanani wie klaman wo ye sofo kra wonye yie bio
tontonte ye no nsa na ye fa
Nyansapo
abone ntakra na mane yekese na ntakra abone de fanyinam kwatere kwa
wada woro mantuma ye fe ni din de sein ni din de Obama
akola wa no so pese otrimu osuma ense bratam
hia na America sa
sabe ka ya twa ni mu nyame nai ebu afa so enye de ya twa ni mu twa nyame